Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you step by step how to transfer money using the JP Bank app both to other JP Bank account and different other banks account. If you are new in Japan or just confused by the app menus, don't worry, I will explain everything clearly and slowly. Let's get started. First open your JP Bank app. You will see the home screen like this. From the menu select the option Shokenshi Harai. Here you will see two options. The first option is for transferring money to another JP Bank account. The second option is for transferring money to a different bank. I will explain both. If you cannot open Shokenshi Harai, it means you need to install another application from the JP Bank and complete verification. If you face this problem, comment below. I will make a separate video for that. First, I will transfer money to another JP Bank account. To do it, select the first option over here. After that, you will see this kind of interface where you have two options to select. Select the first one and tap next. Now enter the friend's account number and the amount you want to send. You can transfer up to 500,000 yen at one time. If your screen shows the upper limit of 50,000 yen only at one time, then comment down below. I will make another video on how to increase the upper limit up to 500,000 yen at one time. Here at last, it's very important part here. Here you need to enter the sender name. If you want to use English, do not type using English keyboard. Change your keyboard to Japanese, then type the English name in katakana or genkaku. If you type directly in English, you will get an error. After entering all details, tap Kakunin. Check the account holder's name carefully. If the name matches, your details are correct. JP Bank to JP Bank transfers have no transfer fee. It's totally free. Now tap the green button at the bottom of the screen. You will be redirected to another application of JP Bank for your authentication. After the verification from the authentication app, your money will be transferred successfully. Now let's transfer money to another bank. Select the second option. If the bank is listed, choose it directly. If the bank is not listed, select the last option. After that, you can see this kind of interface where there are different options to select. Just type the first option Ginko, which means bank, and at last enter the bank name in katakana only. Do not use hiragana or English alphabet. Use katakana only. For example, I will show you by making the transaction successful with this GMO Aozora Net Bank. Type the first letter in katakana and search. For the GMO Aozora Net Bank, the first alphabetical sound for GMO is G. So I will type G in katakana and search for it. Here no need to worry about typing full bank name. Even if the bank name is in Japanese and it's written in kanji, you need to know its pronunciation and type first letter in katakana. If it's English name, then it's very simple to type first alphabetical sound in katakana. Here you can see the list given in the screen. I successfully found the GMO Aozora Net Bank. In this way, select your desired bank and click next. After finding the bank name, you need to select the branch name of it. Same thing applies to it. Type the first Japanese letter or first alphabetical sound in katakana and do search. Again, you can see the list of branches in the screen. Select your desired branch and click next. You can see this kind of interface in your screen. Now you need to enter all the account information over here. Now select the account type. Most of them are in normal accounts, so select the first one, Futsu, that means normal. In my case, it's normal, so I select the first option, Futsu. Now enter account number, transfer amount, and sender name. Here English name must be typed using Japanese keyboard, same as before. Here it's not compulsory to type in katakana. Here you can use katakana or English alphabet, but use Japanese keyboard for it. Otherwise you will face an error. After entering the sender's name and mobile number, tap on green button Kakunin and confirm all the details. If the account name matches, proceed. JP Bank to other bank has 165 yen transfer fee. Tap the green button to complete the transfer. Please take a screenshot after completion. That's how you can transfer money using the JP Bank app. If you have any questions, comment below. If you want a video about app verification problem or about increasing the limit of 50,000 yen to 500,000 yen, then let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Please like it and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.